Hi, are you a mom who needs to help their child learn to read, no matter what grade level? I got you. I'm Mrs. K to my students. I'm a tutor, and I help most of my students with reading, some with math. So I was a reading teacher for 10 years, and then I worked in a department called Resource where it was in special ed, but it was to get kids up from where they were and get them up to grade level. So here are some things that you need to do for your student. First, get something like this off the internet, and it is a list of their sight words in their grade level. Then get some pictures like this. Get a cheetah, a bunny, and a turtle. And I'll explain that later. Then get some index cards. First, ask them which words they know. So I go down the list. I might just do one or two if they don't know a lot of them. And then out of 10 cards, I put 2 of them that they know. Our kids need to feel successful. And then the other 8 might be some that they could kind of sound out, and then some where they just didn't know. Okay, so then I write them on the cards, and then I lay out the cheetah, the rabbit, and the turtle. And I remind them, no one out of these animals is better than the other. If you get it right away within 3 to 5 seconds, it goes in the cheetah area. It just means that you got it quicker. If you kind of had to sound it out, but you got it, it goes in the bunny. If you just didn't know, it goes in the turtle. And that helps us learn to read that word. That's all you have to tell them. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So now you have the cards done and they're going through the cards. The ones that they get right in the cheetah, you put a little tick mark, as you can see, in the corner. When they get to 10, where they successfully read the word, then it's gone and you put in a new word. Now, for the words that they have a hard time on, take some time and do this with a whiteboard. I write the word as in had. Had. So I write it. I put the vowel in a different color, so it really bam for their eyes. And then I have them say H as they erase it with their finger. Not fully, don't let them do this, just write on it. And then the A, they say A and then D. It also helps with spelling. And then what is the word? Had. So you're not only helping them see it, they're saying it, they're hearing it, they're touching it. And it will help. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know what questions you might have. I'm getting this course together for moms to show their babysitter or nanny, because everybody has to work and we all have to make money to pay these damn bills. So I wanted to give this out free, but then I'm working on this for the summer, so stand by. So if you have other questions, please leave them below, and I would be more than happy to do a free video on how to do that. I hope this works.